The advice of YouTube gurus out there is so macro. They tell you things like, don't worry about the gear, find your niche, bring value, use YouTube analytics. After watching all those videos, do you actually know how to find your niche or use the analytics for growing your YouTube channel? The truth is that none of the advice will ever help you. But for some reason, we love watching those videos, especially when we are at the very beginning. It gives us fake feelings that we are already doing it, becoming the next YouTube influencer. What will help you is realizing that no one will spend their valuable time watching your crappy videos trying to be the next Matt D'Avella or Peter McKinnon. So instead of dreaming to become someone else, do this for yourself. Start a channel because you deeply know inside that it would make you happy. Learning how to record a video, speak in front of the camera, spending hours editing the videos so people want to actually watch it, trying to find the best title and create a great thumbnail so people want to click through. It's not really about getting views and 1,000 subscribers to get monetized.
Oh my god, don't say that.
But about you enjoying the hours and hard work learning this craft. And that's how you start your YouTube channel. Keep creating, be patient and enjoy the process. Thang and
Michael
are